So nice. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am actually now currently traveling around Thailand, which is so exciting, and I'm going to do some more traveling in Southeast Asia in general. I'm actually currently in Koh Samui. It's such a beautiful island, and today I'm going to kind of show you the Bay of Chaweng, which is the nicest bay in Koh Samui in my opinion, and I'm also going to show you how much it costs to eat at some of the local restaurants. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more travel videos. I'm going to be posting a lot more travel content. So there are no pavements really around. There are some pavements, but not many, so it can be kind of dangerous walking, so you just need to like watch out and be careful. Another thing to mention is just how hot it is walking around. Like everything feels 10 times harder when you're walking in this heat. Such a beautiful day. It's actually rainy season in like the rest of Thailand, but Koh Samui's rainy season is a little bit later. This is the Little Boat restaurant. So ham and cheese toasty with a Coke for like $3.11 is really good. These chicken satays were so yummy. 4 pieces of chicken for $2 is just so good. So yummy. So yeah, so that toasty was like $3.11. Chicken satay was like $1.94, so total of like $4 or $5. So it's such good value. So it's such a lovely day today, and the beach is looking so beautiful. Koh Samui is actually such a good place to visit like around this time of year, because everywhere else in Thailand is rainy season. And also Chaweng Beach in Koh Samui is one of the nicest bays. The sand is whiter, so like it's obviously just makes it look nicer. And the bay is super shallow, so it gives you kind of that crystal like Maldives looking water. If you go kind of further north on the island, the sand kind of turns a bit of a different colour. It's a bit more grainy, a bit tougher, not as soft, not as white, and then the actual sea itself gets deep a lot quicker, so then it like doesn't get as beautiful and as blue. So yeah, definitely Chaweng Beach is the place you want to go if you want to see those like crystal clear waters. I'm going to show you a few shots now from today. It looks so beautiful. Honestly, the water is so refreshing. It's so nice. I'm gonna dunk in. I always hate the first like time you get in the water, but it's so nice. It's literally beautiful and so clear. I actually can't see my screen though because it's so bright, so I have no idea how this recording is gonna turn out. Just wow, so beautiful. I never finished filming that day, but there ended up being like a massive rainstorm out of nowhere. So I just kind of like got an ice cream and headed home after. I managed to actually avoid the rain. Like I sat and had an ice cream, and then by the time I'd finished, the rain had stopped. Today's been another beautiful day, and I've just been watching the most gorgeous sunset. Everything was just pink and beautiful. I put like a mini clip that I took on my phone. I forgot to take it landscape, but I'll show you like the iPhone clip I got. Now I'm gonna go head back to the Little Boat and get some dinner. So I got this Coke for 30 baht, and then sweet and sour and a side of rice for like 100 baht. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, my first travel vlog of Koh Samui. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.